So Maggie smell আসছে and I am just oh. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated এত looks recreate করেছি যে বলতে বলতে অভ্যাস হয়ে গেছে. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this Durga Puja look. This is especially for Shoshti ba Ashtami Anjolite. It's a very light makeup look. It's very fresh, very dewy, glowy, very youthful. It's also got a little bit of glam in it. This look is like, you know, flawless complexion, glass skin and glossy eyes with bright lips. So this is a very soft, romantic, very balanced look. Another Durga Puja look is coming up, which will be for Ashtami evening and Navami evening. ওটা একটু বেশি glam হবে. I'll make sure you look stunning during the pujas. So watch out for that. And now before moving on to the video, do subscribe if you aren't yet subscribed to my channel right now. And now let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to moisturize my face and I'm going to use the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. The Cetaphil moisturizing cream ta আমি কলেজ ডেজ থেকে ইউজ করছি. ইফ ইউভ গট ড্রাই স্কিন ইটস এক্সট্রিমলি গুড. তোমাদের যদি ড্রাই স্কিন না হয়ে থাকে তাহলে ইউজ উইচ এভার ময়েশ্চারাইজার ইউ ইউজ. ফেসকে ময়েশ্চারাইজ করা ইজ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট বিকজ তাহলে মেকআপটা খুব ভালো করে তোমার ফেসের সঙ্গে ব্লেন্ড হয় আর সেট খুব ভালো হয়. এবার একটু কালার কারেকশন করে নেবো বিকজ আইভ গট পিগমেন্টেশন ইন সাম এরিয়াস অফ মাই ফেস. সো আই এম গোনা ইউজ দিস অরেঞ্জ কালার কারেক্টর. দিস ইজ ফ্রম Sugar, but I think they've stopped it, so you can use whatever orange color corrector you have. I'm going to take my PAC 219 brush and apply it in the under eye area because ekhane dark circles ache and pujote you need to look fresh and awake. Now I'll just apply a little bit on the sides of my forehead. Tomader face e jekhane pigmentation ache you can use it there. Now I'm going to use this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. I'll just shake it a little and নিয়ে নেব. I won't apply much because আমি সবসময় ফাউন্ডেশন খুবই অল্প ইউজ করি. যদি লাগে তাহলে আমি এক্সট্রা অ্যাড করি, বাট ইনিশিয়ালি আমি খুব অল্প ইউজ করি so that it does not feel cakey. Foundationের coverage is very pretty, it's very beautiful, but since it dries out my face, so I'm gonna mix it with some oil. Just 4 drops of oil will be enough, and then I'm going to mix it and apply it on my face. And I'm using the tan number 1 brush. Just face e randomly apply korbo and then pore blend kore nebo. Once I'm done applying it all over my face, because I mixed this oil, it's going to give me a very glowy and dewy complexion. Now I'm just going to apply the concealer, and I'm going to apply the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer. My foundation was in the shade Tawny, and this is in the shade Medium Warm Golden. I will mention all the links in the description box below, so just check it out. Eta bhalo kore under eye area te apply korbo. I'm just going to blend it with my fingers now. আমি এত কনসিলার্স অ্যাপ্লাই করেছি, বাট আমার পার্সোনালি মনে হয় এলেগলের ধারে কাছে কেউ আসে না. Now I'm going to set it with the K Beauty loose powder in the shade Banana. ভালো করে আন্ডার আই এরিয়াতে অ্যাপ্লাই করে নেব. I'm not going to bake it, so এটাকে ভালো করে আমি blend করে নেব as soon as I apply it. Be very very gentle when you apply makeup on your face, on your skin. ব্যাস, এবার মনে হচ্ছে যেন আমি 14 hours এর একটা সুন্দর nap নিয়ে উঠেছি. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to apply the Sugar Archer Eyebrow Definer. This is in the shade Felix Onyx, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. This is the K Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette, and I'm just going to use the middle shade for my contouring. So I'll just pick up this shade and apply it on my face and just on my jawline. And today we'll also do the sides of our nose because puja bole kotha. Contour is done. Now I am going to use blush, and I'm going to use this KIRO Glow On Blush Duo. This is in the shade Perfect Pink Fresh Grapefruit. এর shade দুটো খুবই pretty, especially the pink one. There's a pink and there's a coral. So আজকে আমি pinkটা use করব because I'm just going after this very youthful, very pinky, very cheerful vibe. So I'll just pick this pink. It's very pigmented, so be very careful. See how pigmented this is. Just apply a little bit and a little bit on the nose. তারপরে blend করে নেব. Now I'm going to apply this pink shade on the top of my lids. খুব হালকা হালকা. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. এইবারে যেটা করব সেটা হলো master stroke. We'll just take this Lime Crime Wet Cherry gloss. This is a lip gloss and এটার শেডটা আমি তোমাদের description box-এ দিয়ে দেব. Please check it out. এটা আমরা apply করে নেব on the top of our eyelids. Oh, smell is, oh my god. এবারে we will just blend it with our fingers. Blend করার actually কিছু নেই, but still glossy ব্যাপারটা ভীষণ ভীষণ সুন্দর লাগে. Just looks very pretty. Look how beautiful it already looks. এইবারে আমরা apply করে নেব highlighter. I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. এবার tan number 3 brush নিয়ে highlighterটাকে we'll just apply it on the top of our cheekbones. Face will look very glowy. That's the whole idea, like very glossy and very Korean skin and very glowy. Bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and I'm going to use the LOreal Lash Paradise. LOreal Lash Paradise mascara is amazing. আজকে আমরা আর false lashes apply করব না. We are just going to give it 2-3 coats. Nice coats of mascara on the bottom lashes as well. চোখের উপরে এবার আমরা just একটা brown kajal apply করব. I'm using Rimmel Scandaleyes kajal. This is in the shade chocolate brown. আগে আমি সুন্দর করে upper lash line টা tight line করব. তারপর I am going to apply it on my eyelids. Black ta korbo na because black is okay for a night look, but for a day look, I love brown. I'll apply this on my lower lash line as well. Puro completely noy, but very lightly lower lash line apply kore debo jate it doesn't look khali khali. Ar ekটু just fingers diye blend kore debo. এবারে আমরা লিপস্টিকটা অ্যাপ্লাই করে নিই. I have two options. One is this one from Plum, Matte in Heaven. This is in the shade Pink Martini. শেডটা দেখাচ্ছি. শেডটা খুবই pretty. Oh my god. I actually want to go for pink because pink খুব cute লাগে and খুব youthful ও লাগে. Next is from Faces Canada. This is the Comfy Matte Pro in the shade Crafty Pink. এই শেডটাও দেখিয়ে দিই. এই শেডটাও ভীষণ pink. It's like more towards the bubble gummy pink. So Maggie's smell আসছে. I can smell Maggie. So I am, oh my god, this is so distracting. Shooter pore Maggie খাচ্ছি. I'm going to apply this one. This is more pinky and bubbly and very youthful. পুরোটা লিপসে লাগাচ্ছি না, just dab করব আর উপরে dab করব. Now I'll just blend it with my fingers. দুটো লিপস্টিক শেডই আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে. I'm just going to mix these two. Plum এরটাও এখন অ্যাপ্লাই করছি. এবার আমি Swiss Beautyর এই bold matte lip liner টা, this is in the shade Fruit Punch. I'm just gonna outline my lips with this. I think আরেকটু blush apply করলে better লাগবে. তোমরা এই লুকটাও রাখতে পারো, but because it's পুজো আমার প্রচন্ড ইচ্ছে করছে যে আমি একটু glitter add করি, like the slightest. So I'm gonna use this Lime Crime Diamond Dew. এই শেডটার নামটা উঠে গেছে. I think it's something to do with rose, but don't worry, I'll just mention everything in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And I am just oh, এটা কি করে হলো? How can this thing just break? তা আবার Lime Crime এর, like it's pretty expensive. পুরো এটা খুলে চলে আসলো, like it just fell. Oh my god, এবার অ্যাপ্লাই করব কি করে? The opening is very very tiny. Guys, please help me, comment down below how can I use this thing. যেটাই এখানে আছে যতটুকুই আমি সেটাই just inner 1/3 এরিয়াতে অ্যাপ্লাই করছি. Anyway, life goes on. এটা শুধু I just have to think about how can I use this. ব্যাস আর ক্রিপ করার কোনো কিছু নেই. এই Lime Crime এর গ্লসটাও just আরেকটু অ্যাপ্লাই করব. Okay, now the final touch is just to apply the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. And that is it. And you will look like a princess. Just to show you that you can wear, any outfit with any color, I am just going to take this and keep it here. And look how pretty this makeup looks with this bright sari, this bright orange and fuchsia jamdani. Or else if you don't want to wear colorful clothes, then this beautiful light green, pista green shade is going so well with the makeup. But I think I'm gonna wear this orange and pink jamdani with this makeup. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you will recreate this look. If you do, then do tag me on my Instagram at sushdazzles. Also comment down below when are you going to wear this look. Ami jani, ami kobe ei makeup look ta korbo. I think I'm gonna do it on Shoshti. I can't wait. Alright guys, so that was it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. It just takes 1 minute and it means the world to me. So many of you guys who love my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. It just breaks my heart, guys. Please subscribe right now. Like this video and do comment on below, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.